In today's episode, Bridget demonstrates how to access Facebook. Inside Go High Level.
So today I'm going to show you how and why you need to integrate your Facebook page with your high level account. Okay, there are many benefits and it's actually really simple. If you go to the launch pad here, you'll see the third step here is to connect your Facebook page. Okay, so all you have to do is click here and then you'll see that it wants you to log in, and it's really important when you do click got it, that you're going to log into your Facebook account and then you're going to allow it all of the permissions it needs to connect to your account. Okay. Now, once you do that, you may be thinking, okay, that's great and that's easy, but what's the point? Like, what benefits do you get for connecting your Facebook account? Okay, so I'm going to go over that with you now. First of all, before I even dive into this, you can register for all of my free training and tools at bridgetbartlett.com, or you can join my vision agency or create your own high level account and load all of our automations into your high level account. All of that can be done at bridgetbartlett.com. Okay, so why do you need Facebook integrated with your high level account? Oh, so many reasons. The first reason is if you do plan on running Facebook ads, then you know using a Facebook lead form is the best way. If you've ever run Facebook ads, you know, sometimes your website, maybe it loads a little slow, or maybe, you know, it's not as straightforward. Maybe your website is not really a great lead generating website, or maybe it just kind of looks funky when someone clicks the button and they go to your website and it's in the Facebook browser. There's lots of things that you'll notice will really affect your conversions when you're running Facebook ads. So using a lead generating form is definitely great. But the issue is that what you typically would have to do is download all of your leads and then upload it to your CRM. But with high level, when you integrate your Facebook account, you actually can integrate the business part of it as well, which will allow you to send the lead form data in Facebook to your CRM. Okay, so that will allow you to build out those automations and trigger it and make sure that you are getting the most out of your ad spend. Another great reason is the ad reporting. Okay, we do have a reporting dashboard specifically for Facebook ads so that you, the business owner, even if you are not running your own ads, you can analyze them and see, you know, where's your money going and how well your ads are doing. Okay, so it empowers you as the business owner to, you know where your money's going and where you're making money. Another benefit is that you will be able to respond to messages in the conversations tab from your Facebook page. If you have a Facebook business page, you know, you really do need to have that if you are a business, because people are looking for credibility. They're looking for businesses that you know they're ready to buy, right? Now maybe they're not looking on Facebook specifically, but if they do come across your Facebook page, or maybe they see an ad or something like that, and then they want to check out your Facebook page, it's part of the customer journey that customers will look at your social media to see if you're active and you know, see if you have a professional image, and that helps to build the know, like, and trust factor. So if they do message you, you definitely want to be able to respond to those messages. Okay. Another benefit is the automation aspect of it. So high level does not have a standalone chatbot tool, but we build all of our automations inside of the workflows. Okay, so you have the ability to really build out some very advanced campaigns and chatbots for your Facebook Messenger utilizing the workflows inside of your high level account. Okay, now another benefit is to, oops, that was a double slide there. Another benefit is to schedule your social media content. So scheduling your content is so nice because you need to have at least one post a day. Okay, that's kind of the standard, but that's very time consuming to create the post. Even if someone creates the post for you, taking the time to post that every single day is very time consuming. And we do have a great social media scheduler inside of high level that you can use and spend, you know, a couple hours on the afternoon June and schedule all of your content for the month, and then you can literally set it and forget it. Okay, so when your customers are looking for your business, they are seeing recent posts, relevant posts, and it helps to establish that credibility. Okay, now if you are an agency owner, you are going to really, really love this. Okay, because as an agency owner, it can be very time consuming to do this for our clients. You have to create the content, then you have to schedule the content. And what's really great is we have our own scheduler and we have this CSV option. Okay, so if you're familiar with CSV, it's basically like a spreadsheet that has all kinds of social media content that you can use, and then just upload to the client's account. Okay, so if you have your own, you definitely can do that. But when you get all of the social media accounts connected, what's really cool is as the agency owner, you can go to the client's account and click new post, and then you'll see here that you have this option that your clients do not have, and it is the social media planner templates. So if you click there, you'll see there are lots of different options here. Okay, so I know that some people in our program are, working with home services, and you can see there's solar, there's roofing, there's, repair, general contracting. There's also, automotive and health and wellness and business coaching and consulting. So if I wanted to, let's say that I had a client or, this was my account and I wanted to use maybe lifestyle coaching. Okay, I could actually select these templates and you can actually see what it looks like. These are unbranded templates, and it also has the content with the image. Okay, so it's not just, a standard image. All right, so you can scroll through here and see if this is what you like. If you do, all you need to do is click continue, and there is a message here saying that that you do agree that the template is free to use, and that while High Level has done its best to ensure all images in this template are royalty free, I understand it's my responsibility to make sure I don't publish images that I don't have the rights to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click get this template, and now you can see what's going to happen is when you click get this template, it's going to show up down here. Okay, because what it's actually doing is downloading a CSV. I do see Maria and Terry are here. Terry, I knew that you were going to love this because Terry is in solar, and we do have solar social media as well. Okay, and you can actually see I've already gone through this process, but I wanted to show you this time here. So if I click select socials, okay, now I'm going to click here, and then I can choose any of my social media accounts that I have connected. Now we do have the ability to connect Google My Business, Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok. Okay, so there's, you have those selections there. So let's say that I wanted to select all of these accounts. And so what I'm saying is that I want all of this content that I just downloaded, I want it to be posted to all of these accounts. And then I'm going to choose the day that I want it to post. So let's just say I want every single day, and I just want one post. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it at one, and then I can choose my time range between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m., which is 2100. Okay, so I would go ahead and schedule the post. Okay, so what happens is when you do click to schedule the post, then it's going to say, which I don't want to do this because this is actually my live account. It's going to say right here, it'll say click to schedule. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and schedule that. Well, what happens is you'll see here that it will add to your calendar here. So you can see I've already added these here. All right. Now, what if I want to edit one of these? All I have to do is click here and then go to edit. And then I can actually go through each of these and see what it looks like. I can add more content. I can take more content away. I can maybe, like you'll see here that this image is not supported on Instagram business. So maybe I don't want to add this image to Instagram. So what I'm going to do is just unselect that there. And then now I don't have that being posted to Instagram. All right. I could also edit, you do have some editing options. All right. Now, what's really cool, since I did choose, well, first, you can toggle over and see what it's going to look like when it's posting on each platform. So that's really cool. You can also add hashtags and make the bold or the text bold, italicized. You can add your little emojis or images and videos here. You also make sure to pay attention to the character limit, especially if you're using Twitter, because it does utilize less characters. And you'll see those errors just like we did with the Instagram. What's really cool too is when you connect your Google My Business, you can actually choose a call to action. So if I wanted my call to action there, I could make it maybe learn more, and then I could actually paste my link here. All right. Now we talk a lot about how you don't want to put a link to your website or whatever in your social media, because Facebook will bury your post. You will not get hardly any engagement, especially if the link is taking the person outside of Facebook, because Facebook does not want that to happen. But what's really cool is you actually have this follow-up comment option. So what's going to happen is anytime you have posted, like for example, when this goes live and I post this, I want to then post a comment as well. And maybe there I'm going to say, to learn more about our business or services, or save, 50% on your first month or whatever my offer is. And then I can actually add my link there. And so when it posts this on all of the platforms, it's going to also go ahead and post that first comment for me as well. Okay. So you can go through all of those and plan those out if you want to. And then you can see your whole calendar is booked for the month. Terry says, wow. Let's see. Amir says, is this native to GHL or is this a module you're offering as an add-on? This is actually, if you are a high-level agency owner, you have access to this here. Okay, so as long as you are you have your account through high level, then you have the ability to do this. Now in the future, what's really cool is they will make this available for the high level sub accounts as well. So you can, as the agency owner, you'll be able to turn on the option to let your sub accounts choose from the template library, or you can keep it turned off. Okay, so that will be the same for the website templates and funnels as well. That library will be available in the future for sub accounts if the agency owner chooses to allow them to do that. If there is not a template, maybe you have a very specific niche that you want to use or something, while you cannot upload it directly into the template library like this, even though I have heard that option is coming, when you create you can create your own CSV and then just upload it that way. Okay, so you definitely have some options. All right, so that is really all I had for you today.